Damn it. Alright. There's a little 2-second snippet. So, man, I don't even know what to say. Ratchet Millionaire. I mean, you can't fucking beat it. We're going to see what it's about, but obviously you can tell by the title, it's going to be a great fucking song. I can't wait to get into it, so I'm not going to waste any time. I got a limited amount of time to do this shit, so we're going to get right into it. I love this beat.
Police on my ass because they wish they drove my whip. Cup holder got no ashes on me. Icy chains and always right.
Hold up. Police on my ass because they want to drive my whip. I swear to God, that's got to be about that Jeremy dude. The one that cop he was having problems out of, about being stalked by that cop, man. Fuck that dude, man. He's such a dumbass. You got nothing better to do with your fucking time. Ain't you supposed to be out catching criminals instead of riding Upchurch's nuts? Anyway, we'll get back into it. What a bar, the...
Riding with a tan, bumping till like 2 a.m. Police on my ass cause I'm a ratchet millionaire. Spend more at your kangaroos than a hater do on Black Friday. Spit tobacco on the mainstream, they don't make enough to try and sign me. Bad mama jammer, drop my Hellcat in pajamas. Get 2 boxes of them swishes from homeboy behind the counter. Walk out that bitch like it's Christmas, like he's smiling ear to ear. Mouth full of grizzly, bitch, I'm Hillbilly Shakespeare. And I come from the mud.
Hold up. We gotta run that back. He's the Hillbilly Shakespeare. Hold on, we gotta run that back a few seconds.
Swishes from homeboy behind the counter. Walk out that bitch like it's Christmas, like he's smiling ear to ear. Mouth full of grizzly, bitch, I'm Hillbilly Shakespeare. And I come from the mud, I just added chandeliers. Coonskin cap like Crockett round here, I'm a fucking pioneer. Police on my ass because they wish they drove my whip. Cup holder got no ashes on me. Icy chains and always riding with a tan, bumping till like 2 a.m. Police on my ass cause I'm a ratchet millionaire. Police on my ass because they wish they drove my whip. Cup holder got no ashes on me. Icy chains and always riding with a tan, bumping till like 2 a.m. Police on my ass cause I'm a ratchet millionaire. I got a $250,000 in a 91, step side Z71. Had that bitch since Rolling Stone, still ain't made it back to a rolling home. One day I'm gonna be a Rolling Stone, tri-stars on my gold throne. Lyrics round here well known, Cheatham County's very own gemstone. Got white lightning in a mixer jar in a backyard on Pine Creek. Don't come knocking in the dirty south, it's the old days of this old creek. Holla full of them black sheep, white smoke from them GTs. Some calling me white trash, but I'm a redneck with technique. Police on my ass because they wish they drove my whip. Cup holder got no ashes on me. Icy chains and always riding with a tan, bumping till like 2 a.m. Police on my ass cause I'm a ratchet millionaire. Police on my ass because they wish they drove my whip. Cup holder got no ashes on me. Icy chains and always riding with a tan, bumping till like 2 a.m. Police on my ass cause I'm a ratchet millionaire.
Man, what a fucking song, man. I can see this song being a fucking banger in the car if you got some good subs, man. I don't even know what else to fucking say about it. I really don't, man. Another fucking banger. Obviously, I can't wait to get a system in my ride so I can fucking bump this shit. Right now, I'm just bumping it out the speakers of my fucking phone. But, I mean, I'm going to be rocking with Upchurch for a long ass time, so I'm just going to keep going back and playing his shit and playing his shit and playing his shit and playing his shit, because I'm a fucking Upchurch fan. Till the fucking day I die, I will always be fucking Creek Squad. And anybody who says he's not who he says he is, or he just likes to start fucking drama, you're a fucking dumbass. You really fucking are. You're about dumb as shit. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell notifications so we can get notified the next time we drop another video. Because otherwise, we, as the people, cannot see my videos. We cannot see other people's videos. If you do not subscribe, you cannot see the videos unless you hear about them. And even then, you should be subscribed. If you like the fucking videos and you like the way they fucking talk about them, you should be subscribed to their channel. If you're not, there's something very wrong with you. Anyway, we're going to get up out here because I've got like fucking 6 more reactions to fucking do. And I may have to wait till later on today to do them. But we're going to get back into them anyway. Peace out. Krieg Squad, Dead Wolf Reactions. We out, motherfuckers.